on top your body, yo. All the times where I do you bad, I'm sorry, yo.
Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, pronounce it however you may, it doesn't really matter. I'm just super excited that you guys are here today watching this video, so you guys already know how it goes. Okay, so like, did I got it right on the first time? Okay, yeah, I'm doing it too much now. So anyways, I'm bringing y'all this look. This is super easy, super quick. I just knew I wanted to achieve a look like real fast, like because I have to go to work in like a couple minutes. So I'm not wearing this to work, by the way. It's too much glam, too much slay. Ooh. Okay, so yeah, I didn't know what I really wanted to do. I just kind of did a little like brown smoky eye, bold lips, you know, lined my waterline, kind of made my eyes a little more bolder. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching. Starting off in 3, 2, okay. Hey guys, so starting off by color correcting. I didn't plan to do a voiceover, but look at me now, okay? I'm taking my Femme Couture Get Flawless 8-in-1 foundation, and y'all, look at that flawless finish, okay? And now I'm taking my Iman Cosmetics finishing powder. I'm just gonna be using that to set my face. Going in with my L.A.Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey. I'm going to be using that to serve as my highlighter today. So I also went in with this L.A.Girl Pro Concealer in the color Mahogany. And y'all, this is another episode of Get Oluchi Right with these concealers. Like, get this ashiness out of my life, because this is not funny. Mismatch times 100. I need to just get my life and stop this bad behavior, because this is 2018. We need to drop this ashiness behavior in 2017. Okay, so I'm just gonna use my leftover foundation to try to blend that ashiness out. And now I'm gonna use blend out my highlighted areas. I'm just gonna pull that highlight into that contour again, trying to blend this out, y'all. I'm just glad this look didn't come out that bad, okay? I make mistakes all the time. We're just not perfect. That's just it, you know? So I'm just setting my highlighted areas with my Sacha Buttercup powder. And I'm also gonna set like around my mouth, because my smile lines be plain no games. It's plain no games. Okay, girl, you better get that dance. So now I'm going in with my Nicka K Duo Contour powder, and I'm using that the warmer shade to just kind of bring some more warmth and set my contour. Next, I am going to be going in with my Morphe 35O palette. This is like a nude palette, like the perfect palette for nude shadows, okay? And so I'm taking this terracotta brown that you see first, and then I'm going to go in with this more dark, grungier brown, and I'm going to place that right on my mobile lid. And pretty much that's what this look is about. Now I'm going to take this orange color just to add a little bit more like warmth slash transition color slash just color in general to my eyes. And yeah. Next, I'm going to be lining my eyes with this E.L.F gel liquid liner rather. And y'all, this is my first time actually doing like a mini little like feline liner thing, like just where I extend my liner all the way to like the corner of my eyes. And I think I did a pretty good job like on camera. So yeah, I usually never get my eyeliner right on camera, so I was really shocked. But yeah, just a simple wing. And then I'm going to go in with this white jumbo pencil that I purchased from Beauty Supply, and I'm using that to just open my eyes a little bit more by lining my waterline. Next, I will take the brown shadow or powder that I use for my contour and just kind of smoke out my waterline a little bit more. So next, I'm going in with my Coastal Scents Fall Festival palette. I'm taking the gold and like silver or ivory color to just highlight my tear ducts, brushing off all the excess powder. Now I'm going to be going in with my Ruby Kisses Dare blusher in that peachy color, adding more warmth to my face. Then I'm going to go in with my Ashy Tisdale Illuminate highlighter from BH Cosmetics and just highlighting my face. With my NYX pencil in deep purple, I'm going to line my lips and then go in with MAC Candy Yum Yum. So I put a clear gloss over that, and this is the final and finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, kept it short and sweet. And yeah, this is just like a quick slay, like get your life slay, okay? I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video once again. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next one. Stay beautiful, choose you, and God bless.